to wash shirts by hand, how to wash t-shirts by hand, how to hand wash t-shirts. Welcome to this channel, Homemaking Made Simple for Modern Women, and let's dive right in how to wash shirts. So we're gonna add the water, lukewarm water in here. You can use a sink to wash your shirts. You can use a tote like this to wash your clothes or to wash your shirts. I'm going to add detergent in here, just half of this. I use Tide because this is really cleans a lot for me. And before you wash any clothes, you want to make sure that you know how it should be washed. When you look inside your tag, you have how to wash your clothes guidelines in here, and you can, this is lukewarm, can be hand wash or machine wash. Okay, so we are going to soak this in here. The same thing, you always want to look inside your clothes, and you have this tag. It tells you how to wash the clothes, how to iron it, what is the best way to wash it. This is machine wash, cold, and then hand wash. So this really helps you all the time to know exactly how to wash your clothes. It just says tumble dry, medium iron, so you have all those information on here. That helps you all the time to wash your clothes. So we're gonna add all this together, and we are going to soak this for at least 30 minutes before we start washing, and we'll be right back here. So it's been 30 minutes. Normally I use liquid soap and bar soap to wash clothes. I just use them interchangeably. You always have to start washing your clothes from the neck, the armpit, because those are where you get the stains. It's good to start from there. I always start from the armpit. So I'm just gonna use my bar soap from the armpit. Make sure I get that washed nicely, and then I move to the next armpit, just this one. Then I wash. Then I move from there to the neck. There is two ways that I wash a neck. You see how you do this? You don't want to do it too hard, just gentle, and then go around it, gentle like that, and then move along like that. And that should take the edge, just little. You don't have to stretch it. I just go sideways like that, and then like that. Hold the clothing together, wash it, rub it on your hands like that. And once that is done, now give it a rub. Wash the whole shirt like that. You can go around it to make sure you don't have any stain on the front of your shirt. If you do, you just rub it. Just add soap to it and then rub it. So I just wash it that way, like that, all around. And then just wash it off. And then wash the hand. These two are very important because you get stain all around here, so it's always good to give it a rub. You just put both together like that, and that is the around the wrist. Give it a rub. And that's it. And once that is done, take this out. And that is done. Then we move on to the next one. As you can see, you see how filthy dirty this is. You can see the colored one here. And what I do is I give it a rub with a soap. Sometimes I use a brush, a little brush, and then you just go over this. Just give it a rub, clean, not too hard on it, and then just rub it like that, and you can see right away the stain is coming off. Just little by little. And then just rub it. As you can see, this has a lot of stain on the neck here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Florence, the no splash formula. This is really good colors out. So we are going to add bleach to that. And what I do is I just pour a little around the neck right here. You can see like that. And then you can see how this works so fast. And then you see that. Since we don't want this to fade or anything, but you see how the color is just going out. Just gonna rub it like that. So we don't want the bleach to stay too much in here to discolor, to take the colors off. So like that, and that's it. And then we wash it. And now look at how white this is. The stain, the yellow stain, it took it right off. You know, bleach is bleach stain, so when you put it on here, just a second to take the stain and then just wash it right away, and then that should, it will not bleach your clothes. That is one trick that I use when I'm washing colored clothes that is not white, that I use the bleach for. Just light it on it and then that's it. So that is done, and then we're gonna go to the armpit. So both armpit, wash them. Just rub it on your hand. And then the neck is done, the armpit is done. Then the whole clothes, go around it and wash it. Just rub it in your hand. You see, like that. And that should be done. Alright, so that is done. And then we take this out. We just squeeze the water out of here. And then we start on the next one. Start with the neck. And then just rub it. Move to the armpit. And just rub the armpit. Move to the next armpit. And wash it all around. Alright, so this is done, and we are just going to take this out of here. We're gonna get another water and do the second one and then rinse. We are done. We just change our water to new one. We are adding our shirts again, and we are going to give a wash to this. When you wash it the first time, you got all the things, sweat, everything out. So this time, we are just gonna give it a rough wash. Not too much soap at all, just a little, and make sure everything is washed down. So just a rough wash. Make sure everything is done. And just that, just a rough one. Same with this, because everything is clean. Just want to go over it one more. Just rub. Just that. And this as well. Just rough wash. And that's it. Just a rough one. And then we just rinse. Now we are just going to rinse. Now we are rinsing. All you have to do is just dip your clothes in here, raise it up, dip it in like that. And once you do, this is all comes right out. And then you just squeeze the water out. Don't do it too hard, just be a little gentle on that. And that's it. The same thing. Soak it in and then raise it up. Soak it in, raise it up. Soak it in, raise it up. And that's it. Same thing, do this. See how the water is clear? That tells you your clothes are all washed neatly, nice and easy. And we're just going to dry this quickly. We just finished hand washing our shirt and we are going to dry it. If it is summer and the sun is out, I dry my clothes outside, but it's snowing and there is no way it dried outside, so I'm going to dry it inside. All I do is I just shake it like that, and then I dry it right here. Just make that with the clothespin and then just hang it like that. Then do the same thing for this one. I always take the inside out. I open it up, inside out this way, and then I just shake it just to get it straightened a little before I hang it. And then we just hang that right here. Well, take this out and then shake it. and that's it. We are done. So that's how I hand wash shirts and then dry them inside or outside. It's simple and easy to do, and I hope this video helps you to be able to hand wash your shirt or your t-shirt, or how to wash your t-shirt by hand. Simple way. I just show you how to hand wash your t-shirt or how to wash your t-shirt or your shirt by hand and dry them. It's simple process to do and it's easy. I hand wash my clothes all the time because it saves you money on your electric bills, it saves you money on your water bills, and also I just use my hand. You know, you exercise your wrist a little bit. So it's easy to do, and I hope this video has helped you to be able to wash your t-shirt or wash your shirt by hand and hand dry it. To dry this within a day, it will be dry for you quickly to use. So if you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel. This channel is all for home making made simple for modern women, and I show you things that I do at home, all the easy steps I take to do things. Mostly I do a lot of hand wash my clothes a lot. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and bye.